Hi guys, here 10 minus 2 is 8 times 3 plus 4 divided by 2. Here 8 times 3 is 24 plus 4 divided by 2. Here 24 plus 4 is 28 divided by 2. Here 28 divided by 2 is 14 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 14 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this pandas rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. This M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations pandas. As per this order of operations pandas, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. Exponent also not there in the problem. Here we have subtraction, multiplication, addition and division. Here multiplication divisions are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtraction. Here both are equal priority. Multiplication and divisions are equal priority. For this, we are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is 2 times 3. Here 10 minus 2 times 3 is 6 plus 4 divided by 2. Here we have subtraction, addition and division. Division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. Here 10 minus 6 plus this 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now we have here subtraction and addition. Addition and subtractions are both are equal priority. For this we are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4 plus 2. Now 4 plus 2 is 6 is the correct answer.